Looks like it's pretty much just us here. And one vehicle there. We're gonna head out. I think we're gonna maybe start off the morning with some outlaw trails, and then once we're done messing around with some outlaw trails, maybe we'll go down and hit some good Buffalo Mountain trails. I think they're called Miller's Creek Outlaw Trails, something like that. So that's what we're gonna do first. See, we're here, and it looks like Outlaw Trails start just pretty much up across from the Buffalo Mountain trailhead. We're just gonna head up there, jump on some trails there. There's a waypoint on there that says horses, but pretty sure I saw some posts there a little while back that said the horses were rescued and they weren't there anymore. But if we see anything, we'll be sure to stop. There's a couple good trails that look like they're on there that are labeled a little bit more difficult, so we'll check it out and see what it's all about. But that's where we're headed now. We're gonna go down here, and hopefully the gas station's open to get some top off with some gas, and then we're gonna head out. So we'll see you once we're out there. All right, we made our way just off of Trail 14, Buffalo Mountain Trail 14. We took an outlaw trail. We're sitting right around in there. Punch-in Camp, Ridge Rock, Punch-in Camp, Hell's Knob Climb. We're headed towards Chattaroy Overlook, if I'm saying that right. I have no idea. But that's where we're headed, towards Chattaroy, Miller's Creek, stuff like that. So it looks like some blue and red trails on the map coming up, so we decided to kick the cameras on and see how they are. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is our first stop. It's a Lookout. If I'm saying it right, it's Chattaroy, something like that. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. Another amazing view. .360 degrees of just mountains. Ugh. Ugh, don't fall. So far, so good. Trails are good. A couple of nice little rock sections to come up over. Let's go see what's next. Try to find a couple cool spots to go see today. While we're over here, there's a little section of trail here that says rough section. We'll get past that. It says the horses are here, but I think those are the ones that are gone. There's another little lookout over here. I don't know. We'll keep riding and see what we come across, and then if it's pretty cool, we'll get it on camera. She's either bailing on me or going to get a picture. Is she? Yeah. Alright, we're going to keep moving. Just coming through. This is marked as Tabletop Rock. Pretty cool rock formation up here. Kind of reminds you like the ones that you see on Rock House. Alright, looks like we made our way down to a creek trail. We're gonna run down here and check it out and turn the cameras on. Clean them off. Gotta love a good creek trail. It's always a good time. Some of my favorite trails. So we're gonna get these, get the windshields cleaned off. Get a little muddy. Said gonna get the windshield cleaned off. They're getting pretty muddy. We'll take you down this creek trail. It's labeled blue for the most part on the map, and then I think there's a black section. So we'll let you know what it's like when we get through. We just finished what was labeled as a creek trail. Doesn't look like it's been traveled in years. Logs down, trees down. This last section we come up was probably the coolest section. It's labeled black on the map. It was real close to the edge, had some rocks to go over and maneuver around. This trail kind of reminds me of the Candy Ash Trail. Real skinny on the side of a mountain. About the width of a four-wheeler. It doesn't look like it's been traveled in years, huh? So if you see that one on the map, have a chainsaw or a handsaw just in case, because it doesn't look like it's maintained by anybody. But we're gonna keep moving. Bless you. We're gonna keep moving, see what else we can find to put on camera for you to see, and we'll see you at the next spot. That's the second burned up vehicle we found. The other one was a bear wallow on the way to Peachtree Falls. That's crazy. Oh, there's another half of it. There it is. It's crazy what you find up here in these woods. Just come up the trail a little bit from the that burned vehicle. Right here is that truck, and we saw this. Says Hell's Knob, congratulations, you've reached the end of the trail. Share your photos at #CoolfieldHiker. We'll go over check it out. Yeah, I will. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down until I can try to climb up here. Coop.
This is sandstone.
Looks like a bunch of names carved into this tree, but can't really tell what they are. It's a good view out through there in the winter time here. Probably can't see anything out through there with all the leaves on the trees, but it's definitely you're gonna get hurt. Put 1 foot on the tree and 1 foot over to the rock. Emma, she's smart. She keeps her helmet on in case she topples. That's far enough.
What's this?
I don't know. All right, I'm going back down. Come on. We're gonna keep on going through the trails, see what else we can find, put on camera for you to see in case you want to come up here and try these trails out yourself. All the trails that we came through so far have been a little overgrown and doesn't seem like they're very much traveled Got enough spray paint in there?
There's a lot.
This trail is labeled red on Bob T's map, so we'll check it out. It's just a short little trail. Just some rocks going over right now. Heading out back to Buffalo Mountain. We're gonna hit some trails over there. Didn't quite see everything over here that we wanted to see. There's a couple other waypoints we wanted to get to, but some of the trails we came to had like a landslide. Some of the trails had trees across, and I didn't really feel like backtracking a whole lot to get around this stuff, so we kind of just bailed out over here. Definitely have to come back. There's some more trails I'd like to explore over here. We didn't get all the way up to the top of the Millers Creek trail, so I've been told that those are some good trails up that way. But I think we'll probably end this little exploration here. We're gonna head out of here. We're gonna head over to the Buffalo Mountain Trail system. We're gonna see what we can get into over there. Maybe go check out some of the double black trails over there. Maybe some of the waypoints that we didn't get on our last video. I think we only have one video of Buffalo Mountain the last time we were here. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more exciting than this one was. Just a little trail ride, a couple waypoints to show you. I like to mix it up every once in a while. I like to do some hard stuff, I like to just do some trail ride, and hopefully you guys enjoy seeing both. I know myself, I like to watch the harder stuff, but I know everybody's different, so we try to keep a good mixture of stuff.